Is it really from the future?
It's a message from 2075. To the people of 2025, we watched you with awe and concern. We knew the path ahead would be difficult, but we also knew you had the power to change everything. Some of you failed to act. Some of you rose up. The future was shaped by your decisions. Dear 2025, we don't know what it was like to live in your time, but we've heard stories.
We are grateful that you fought for us and that you fought for the Earth.
We've built a world that's connected and compassionate.
If you could see us now, you'd know that all of your efforts weren't in vain.
We did it. We actually did it.
This coin, it's the symbol of the turning point.
The day humanity realized we could only move forward together.
They knew it all along. Unity was the key.
What do we do now? The future is in our hands.
It's like they're watching us, guiding us.
You have the chance to shape your future. Don't let it slip away. We have to make the right choice. For us. For them.
We have seen the warnings. Now let's act. The future is uncertain, but we have a chance to rewrite it.
We can't wait any longer. It's time to act.
This is our legacy. Let's make it count.
We've seen the future. Now we have to make it happen.
This is what we could become if we choose wisely. Our message to 2075. We hope you'll be proud of us.
They've been watching us all this time. And we've been given a chance.
The future isn't something that just happens. It's something we create.
We have a choice. The future is in our hands.
We will rise to the challenge together.
This is just the beginning. The future starts now.
This is what we're capable of. It's within our reach.
Look at how far we've come. Look at what we've saved. We are the generation that will make the world whole again.
The key to our survival is unity. We must act together.
This coin represents everything we need to remember. Together we rise.
The future is yours. Don't let it slip away. We'll do what it takes for our world. For theirs. For theirs.
The future starts with us.
The future is uncertain, but our actions today will determine it. Let's make sure they'll be proud of us.